We're going to be speaking about today proper containers for your incense. First of all, when you get incense, it's a fragile product. So sometimes you will receive incense in plastic bags, your normal 12-inch incense. Sometimes you'll get jumbo in plastic bags, or you may find boxes. There's different types of boxes and containers for incense. Some are tubes. A lot of your Indian incense come in tubes, and then some are in full packages. Next, we move to the containers. The containers in your home, a lot of people use for declaration. We have coffin style, we have slab, and we have stick. We have jumbo, and we have your normal regular size incense. We have also inside of the coffin, we have for cones. There are 2 segments inside of each of them for small cones. On behalf of Expert Village, this is proper containers for incense.